Hi, first grade. Today we are going to show what we know about letter and sound fluency. We will make a video of ourselves reading the letters and a second video making the letter sounds. Then we will log into Ed and read our 2 phonics stories. This is important so that we can become more fluent readers. Okay, remember these videos that we've been watching for a while? We're kind of tired of them. Yeah, I would watch them one more time. And then you're going to read the next page of letters. Record yourself reading the letters. Record yourself saying the sounds. Okay? Here are the letters that you are going to record yourself reading to your teacher. Make a video of yourself reading the letters, just saying the letter names. Then you're going to make a video of yourself saying the letter sounds. And you are going to do each letter the best you can and send your video in to your teacher. No spelling test. No Miss Fisher video. Have a great day, guys. Bye.